Hello again. So this video is showing the lava lamp homemade demonstration. There are two ways you can get points with this. You can either watch this video and then go to the assignments and write one sentence kind of explaining how this relates to solutions, whether it's talking about solubility or the ability for something to mix in with something else. Or you can follow the steps and actually do it at home. It doesn't take very many things, and you could get up to half credit. So for example, if you made a 60 on the test, you can either just write a sentence, which would add 5 points, boost it up to 65, or you can actually do the demonstration and you get half points back, which would actually boost your grade up to an 80. And if you do both, that'd be half, so an 80 plus 5, 85. Like if you made an 80 and you just write the sentences, that boosts it up to 85. But if you write the sentence and do the demonstration, that would actually boost you up to 95. So that is a way for you guys to get a higher grade on your test. And so today we are actually doing a lava lamp. The different materials that you need: vegetable oil, water bottle, Alka-Seltzer, or the off-brand, that's fine, water, and food coloring. Now the food coloring is optional, it just makes it really pretty, so it's up to you if that's what you want to do. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is fill up the water about a third of the way with vegetable oil or any oil. And then you fill it to about this line with water. So you notice there are lots of bubbles, or not bubbles, the water and the oil. So if you let it sit for a second, you'll actually see that the water and the oil separate. Okay, then this is when you add food coloring, if you have any. I have blue, red, and green, and I actually think I'm going to do a little bit of all three. It's about 1 to 2 drops each. And you notice how it sinks down to the water, and it kind of stays in like a bubbly form. Okay. Give it a second to set. So this is Alka-Seltzer. You can use like any effervescent tablet. It doesn't really matter the brand. If you do not have Alka-Seltzer, this does work if you slowly pour in salt as well. So either of those would work. I'm using Alka-Seltzer because that's just what I had here. Okay. So you can see how the food coloring is kind of stuck in the middle of the layers. So it's not really in the water, it's not really in the oil, but you could definitely see how they have separated. Okay, so in order for this to actually work, I'm going to break the Alka-Seltzer into pieces, and then let's see what happens once I pour it in here. So you see the food coloring's mixing now, and it's the oil, the water is rising up to the oil, and then it is settling back down. Go ahead. Add some more. That oil, the water, you can also see dumping back down. I'm going to turn the lights out to use a flashlight. You can see how it's moving. So the bubbles from the Alka-Seltzer are actually raising the food dye and water to the top. As soon as it hits the top, since it's not mixing with the oil, then it's just sinking down to the bottom, like how a lava lamp does. Now, of course, once the Alka-Seltzers have dissolved, it does not bubble anymore, so you can just add more salt, or you can add more Alka-Seltzer and it'll get the reaction going again. Alright, so if you have any questions about this little demonstration, remember, write one sentence on like how that relates to our solutions unit. You could mention something that we talked about during the unit. And then if you want half credit back, you can actually do this lab in your home. All you need is water bottle, water, oil, Alka-Seltzer. If you do not have Alka-Seltzer, table salt does work as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to y'all later.